This is a tutorial on how to use Google Docs to create a references page in APA format and submit the document in D2L. To begin your references page, you are going to center on the top of the page the word references. Notice that it is plural, and for APA 6th edition, the word is not in bold or enlarged font. Next, you will set your spacing to double spacing and then hit enter. You'll need now to move your alignment back over to left align. And now you're ready for the very crucial step of using the hanging indent. To format the hanging indent, you will go up to Format, go to Align and Indent, and choose Indentation Options. There, under Special Indent, you will use the drop-down menu to choose Hanging and click Apply. Now you are ready to type your first entry. This particular entry has a group author, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Next will come the date. Next will come the title. This also has a subtitle, so you'll capitalize the first letter in the first word of the subtitle. And now that I'm at the end of the line, please make sure that you do not hit enter. You continue typing until you are all done with that entry. Google Docs will automatically use the hanging indent to format this entry. So continuing on with the title, continuing to type, you see now that Google Docs has moved the second line over, tabbing it over, which is what hanging indent does. It puts the first line all the way to the left, and subsequent lines are indented. So I'll continue finishing the title. The next piece of information is the retrieval, and for 6th edition, we type retrieved from, and then the website of that particular article. The URL should take the reader to the actual article. Once you have finished your entire entry, then you will hit enter, and now you're ready for the next entry. Notice that the hanging indent has moved the alignment over to the left again. So here you will begin your next source. This one did not have an author, so we're going to start with the title. We then go to the date. Then we go to the publication, which is in italics. Then the volume, which is in italics. The issue, which is right next to the volume in parentheses and not in italics. And then the page number or page numbers showing the full range. Again, for 6th edition, we will use retrieved from. And because this article does not have a DOI, we will, again, for 6th edition rules, use the home address of the publication. So that would be the Consumer Reports. And again, once we're done with the entry, we will hit enter. And now we're ready for the next source. Notice that these are arranged alphabetically. Okay, once you have completed your references page, you are going to need to save it in a format that D2L will accept. You cannot directly submit a Google Doc. So you're going to go up to the file and go to download, and you can save this document in a rich text format, which should preserve all of the formatting that you have created. So we're going to click Rich Text Format. We're going to save the file. And then we're going to go into our D2L class. Go to Activities and Assignments. Find the assignment that you are submitting, in this case, the APA Skills Assessment. And here you can add a file from your computer. And I am going to look for that file. Let me bring this over so you can see this on your screen. So here is my references page that I've created. I'm going to drag it over here. I can see it's in the RTF, and I'm going to add that. And now we can see that we have the sample page in RTF, and I'm going to click Submit. Here I can see the file submission was successful. I can see that this is in RTF, and I could also click on this and open it, and my formatting is preserved. If you do not have Word on your computer, I'm not sure if you'll be able to open that file and see it, but as you can see, when I open it, I'll be able to see the page, and the formatting is preserved. So this may be a good option for submitting documents, all of your documents in D2L, to use the RTF extension. Hopefully this will be helpful to you.